Scout Trail. From Highway 71 in Pomona, take the Mission Boulevard exit and drive west 1 mile. Park on Sorrento Drive to begin the hike. The hike passes through a green corridor in an otherwise suburban area. The difficulty rating for the hike is on the upper end of easy. The hike begins. Start by walking parallel to Mission Boulevard after crossing from Sorrento Drive. A yellow gate marks the starting point. After the gate, turn right to follow the dirt road. The road quickly elevates toward the high points on the ridge. Looking up the side of the hill where the Eagle Scout project sits on top of. Approaching Peak 1381 on the right. Heading up to the ridge high point. On the summit of Peak 1381. Pausing to see the views. Continuing down the other side. It proceeds to lower vantage points on the ridge. The end of the ridge comes in view. The trail passes water tanks and elevates to a viewpoint. Leaving the road on a use trail. The end of the ridge is on the hill ahead. It was clear sailing to this point. Then this happened. A video setting malfunction. Suddenly, I was moving at the speed of light, seemingly. Although discouraged afterwards, it merely opened the door for a revisit. The graffiti didn't look much better in the diffused lighting of the cloudy sky, but it was good to be back again a few days later. Picking up where I last had watchable video, I began to detail the remainder of the hike. The paved utility driveway connects with a nearby neighborhood to the left. At the end of the ridge is a lower peak. From there, great views of the Inland Empire appear. And the graffiti. The Summit 360. A colorful viewpoint. This is the end of the ridge and the turnaround point, starting to head back. After a quick drop, it is uphill all the way back to peak 1381. Steady climbing while nearing the top. Back onto the high point on peak 1381. One more down and up to the Eagle Scout project. A series of benches were placed on this hill, which were originally Eagle Scout projects. Unfortunately, there is only one left, the rest are in ruins. This is the one serviceable bench. I guess they don't make them like they used to. Even though the area needs a bit of maintenance, this is a peaceful hike. Opting to take a use trail down the ridge. Final approach to the starting point. A prickly pear paradise. Mission accomplished. To avoid long driving trips just to get some fresh air, this trail offers the locals a chance to get outside and enjoy the surrounding open spaces.